what is the magnetic field, concept of magnetic field. So what is magnetic field? If we suppose to consider here a magnet, so magnetic field is nothing but the space around the magnet. This is the space around the magnet where it influence or it exerts some force, that is attraction or repulsion can be experienced, which is called as magnetic field of that magnet. Means the space or surrounding around the magnet, environment around the magnet where it exerts some force, it's called as magnetic field. The field produced is nothing but the magnetic field of the magnet. Now suppose here, for example, when the compass needle brought near to the bar magnet, then what happened? It get deflected in the different direction, north-south direction or in the south-north direction. So this compass needle get deflected. This is the example of the magnetic field. And as we know that there will be like charges, like poles are always repel each other and unlike poles are always attract each other. And this is the magnetic field. And the field is developed around this magnet, means space around this magnet, in which it gives some influence. It means it gives some influence regarding to this repulsion as well as attraction. It experience of force, we can say that, and then we can say that the magnetic field is developed around the magnet. Means regarding to this, we will take first activity in our book, that is activity number 1. Before going through some activity, we will discuss properties of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. What are the different properties of field lines? The first property is magnetic field lines are imaginary. They are not real. They are imaginary. Magnetic field lines are imaginary. Means these lines are used to show the magnetic field in the given region. These lines, what does these lines indicate here? These lines are used to show magnetic field in the given region. Magnetic field. Describe the magnetic field. Therefore, these magnetic field lines are always imaginary. It is not real. Second property is magnetic field lines are closed continuous curve. These are the closed continuous curve. Means it gives the curve and it is directed from north pole to south pole. Now see here, direction of this electric field lines is from north pole to south pole. North pole to south pole here. And here we can say that the direction of this electric field lines outside the magnet is north pole to south pole, and inside the magnet it is from south pole to north pole. Now see here, the direction of the electric field lines outside the magnet, it is from north pole to south pole. See here the direction, north pole to south pole, north pole to south pole. But inside the magnet it is south pole to north pole. See here direction is changed. Outside the magnet means we can write here, inside the magnet it is north to south. But outside the magnet it is from south to north. The direction of the magnetic field lines is south to north inside the magnet. Third property is, if we suppose to draw the tangent at any point on the magnetic field. If this is the curve and we draw the tangent to this curve, then what does this indicate? It always gives the direction of the magnetic field at that point. This curve indicates this tangent indicates the direction of the magnetic field at that point. So, and fourth property is magnetic field lines. Suppose magnetic field lines are closer together in the region where magnetic field is strong. Now here the magnetic field lines are closer. So we can say that strong magnetic fields are there. And here in the wide region we can say that this is the wide region, widely separated. When these magnetic field lines are widely separated, then we can say that there will be weak magnetic field. When they are close together, then we can say that strong magnetic field will be there. and when they are widely separated, the magnetic field lines are widely separated, then we can say that weak magnetic field will be there. Means what we can say that here, at the poles of the magnet, at the ends of the magnet, strong magnetic field will be there. Strong magnetic field at the end, at the poles we can say that at the end, strong magnetic field will be there. Strong magnetic field will be there. Now last property is magnetic field lines do not intersect with each other. If they are intersect, then what we can say that no two lines are intersect to each other. If these two lines are intersect, then what we indicate here, what we can say that, for example, if suppose a bar magnet or if a compass needle brought near to the magnet, then what does indicate? This is the bar magnet. What happen when bar magnet brought near to this magnet? It will get deflected in one direction only, not in two direction. Means we can say that this is because when we place the magnetic compass near to the bar magnet, then it will orient itself only in one direction, not in two direction. It will orient only in one direction, not in two direction. Therefore, no two lines, we can say that no two lines are intersect to each other. What is fourth property? Fourth property, no two lines, magnetic field lines do not intersect with each other. And these are the properties of magnet. What are the property? First property is magnetic field lines are imaginary. They show because they are not real. And this we can say that it shows the magnetic field in the given region. This magnetic curve, these magnetic field lines are imaginary and they are used to show the magnetic field in the given region. Second one is the magnetic field in closed region. When magnetic lines of force are close to each other, then strong magnetic field will be there, and they are wide. When they are widely separated from each other, then weak magnetic field will be there. Now third one is the if tangent draw to the magnetic field or curve, we can say that then it gives the magnetic field at that point, which is third property. And last property is magnetic field lines do not intersect with each other. Now see here, no two lines are intersect with each other. No two lines are intersect with each other. These are the fourth property. These are all four properties of magnet.